Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put s square go to the left. To s square minus s square, we have s square. Next, we have y square and 2y. First derivative of y, so we can use about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to y square. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have first derivative of v equals to 2y and first derivative of y. So this one we change by v, this one we change by first derivative of v. Next, I will put this v go to the left and s square will go to the right. Next, we need to divide both sides by s. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over s next to v, this is about integrating factor. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative l and s, and later that we put the negative go inside about natural law in here, and we have s to the power of negative number 1, and we have 1 over s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have 1 over s square. This one we have number 1. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we see that this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. The integration of that one, we have v over s. The integration of the s, we have s, and we have seen here. Next, about v, that is about y square. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.